As a law-abiding company, we expected that KRA would abide by the process in which we had 30 days by law to appeal the TAT decision. We are shocked that KRA has no intention of respecting the legal process. The statement issued yesterday was a public gimmick to mislead and influence the public to support a KRA operation to stop Keroche breweries from operating. Today morning, we woke up to an agency notice issued by KRA directed to our banks to collect the 9 billion. This means Keroche breweries cannot withdraw any money or transact any business from their accounts until KRA corrects or the alleged 9 billion. In short, as we speak, they have halted all the operations of Keroche breweries.